Okay, guys, on to the certified bird, break 4152. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll, we're going 8 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 8 here. 8 here. Ravens up top. Sea chickens at the bottom. Eight times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, Jesse Minich up top, Eric Brenfleck at the bottom. Sort them out. Ravens did not sort their up top. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Certified bird. Let's do it.
Use the restroom.
All right. Good luck. All right. Try to get fancy. Good luck. Justin Fields. First auto. First pack. Christian Gonzalez to 149 for the Patriots. Nice hit there for the Patriots. That's a little loose. Much better. Christian Gonzalez. Leonard, Sauce, and T-Law. Kid Reporter. Looks like you got a gold or something here. Jamal Anderson. To 25, Charlie Jones for the Bengals. Nice one there for the Bengals. Cincinnati and Michael. Good looking card. Pickens, Howe, and Tyler Lockett. Franchise Foundations of Garrett Wilson. And Bryce Young on the patch to 399. Nice one there for the Panthers and Eric. Bryce Young. Josh Allen, Kyler, and Stephon Diggs. Kid Reporter. Certified Stars of Jamar Chase. Michael Wilson on the rookie for the Cardinals to 325. Judy Judon and Russ. From the top, Gold Team Young Ho Koo. Looks like we got something right under it. Good luck. Tyree Wilson to 349 for the Raiders. Tyree Wilson. Koo is just an insert, not numbered. Still good looking. Pierce, McLaurin, and Evan Ingram.
These kid reporters throw me off. Antonio Gates on the Immortals. Pink Christian Watson to 199 for the Packers. Christian Watson. Devontae, Taysom, and Minka. Looks like we got 4 packs left. Still looking for an auto. Franchise Foundations of Bijan Robinson. Pacheco, Hassan, Smith, and Kenny Pickett. This one's a little thicker. Certified Stars of Cooper Kupp. Looks like we got a patch auto here. Good luck. Texans. Nice one there for the Texans. Will Anderson Jr., 3-color RPA to 49 for the Houston Texans and Don. Nice card there. Beautiful. Chase Pierce and Joe Mixon. Last 2 packs. Good luck. A.J. Brown on the gold team. Deonte Banks to 399 for the Giants. Jameson, Sanders, and Fred Warner. Last pack, good luck. Kittle, gold team to 249 for the Niners. Josh Downs on the orange to 149 for the Colts. It's a clean looking card. Josh Downs. Garrett, Kelsey, and Amari Cooper on the base. Quick recap. Downs to 149. Kittle to 249. Banks, Will Anderson Jr. on a 3-color RPA to 49. Watson, Tyree Wilson on the patch. Wilson, Bryce Young to 399 on the patch. Charlie Jones to 25, and Christian Gonzalez on the auto to 149. That's the break. Thanks for the fill.